Hi, this is the second video on time and sales trading, but I also wanted to include other other trading methods I use. As you can see, I've got my chart and my DOM and my time and sales. This is Friday, the 24th, and we are now at 8:30 a.m. Okay. So when I open the chart in the morning around 8:30, I usually set my support and resistance areas, my demand and supply areas, and I've done this on my 1 minute chart. So let's go to the 1 minute chart. I'll make it smaller. You can see I've got a supply area up here, and let's see, and another one up here. And one of the most important things I use are the pivots. Support 3, support 2, support. So you can see we're way low, way below the average here. We've got resistance up here, all the resistance pivots. Pivots are very important. They are set mathematically and form areas where price has been rejected or what price has been rejected from. And so I also have here a MFI, which is a money flow index, combined with a stochastic. And I've got my volume up and down. All right, so here is VWAP. This is 200 moving average. This is the 50 moving average, and these are Bollinger Bands. Let's talk for a second about Bollinger Bands. Okay, Bollinger Bands are simply a deviation of a moving average. This is a 21 moving average and standard deviations from 21. I don't trade Bollinger Bands particularly. I use them as a signal. When Bollinger Bands get small, when they move in, okay, like this, or let's see, let's find another one. Right here, it gives a signal that shortly there will be a move in a direction. Things will break from this area, from this consolidation area. Okay, I use them for a coming signal of a move that I can perhaps take and make money with. It's pretty simple. Okay, so I'm going to start the charts now, and we're at 8:30. Okay, start the charts. All right, now I'm going to speed it up a bit so we can get to like 9:30 real fast. Get some action going here. Go up to max. Wow, we're at 9:13. Okay, we're moving. All right, we're at 9:31. Whoops. All right. Okay, we're at 9:31. All right, so over on the chart here, let's see what's going on. Okay, so we're in the opening stage right now of the market at Friday. I'll just move it a little faster. As you can see over here, we have a time and sales buy above ask. This is a positive long signal. Okay, and nothing much is happening in here right now. So I'm looking over here at the chart, and we'll see what's going to happen here. Okay, it's moving up. I'm looking at this pivot point right here. You see, if you notice, price has gone up to it, been rejected down. Okay, so what my plan is that if the candle goes up to here, if the price goes up to here, is to let it rise and come in below it. I always take candle trades. I never take candle trades above candles for long and below candles for short. I mean, I see that a lot. And in my long and tragic experience in the market, what usually happens is it'll back up on you. I hate backups. I hate being taken out of a trade. And the way I trade, you can, if you want to put in stops, you can make them very, very, very tight because it's either going to go in your direction or it's going to go in the other direction, and it's going to be fast. And the other thing I want to say is this 200 moving average. As you know, things go down. As you can see, things go down. They go up through it. I never trade off the 200. And this is a theory I have about moving averages. They're not really support and resistance. They're more like butter, you know? It's an average. Things go up above it, things go below it. They do tend to head towards it. So if you want to take trades towards a moving average, a 200 moving average, say that's fine. Okay, it looks like we're really getting hammered here. And we've got a lot of sells coming in. This is below ask. I mean, this is below bid. 50, that's very important. So we did hit 50. We're below it. So it was a good trade if you wanted to take that short. Okay, down here we have a base. As you can see, I moved the chart back. You can see it hit there and rejected from there. It's also support 4. That doesn't hurt. Okay, we're just going back and forth right now. It's 9:43. Between 9:30 and 10, around 9:40 to a little after 10. That's usually a move. A move usually takes place there. Let's watch time and sales and see what's going to happen here. So speed it up a little bit. Oh, by the way, this is the ES 1-minute chart if I haven't said that. Okay, we have a sell of 100 at 51. So let's see if we reach 51 here. Let's cut this back a little bit. 25 at 44, sell. Oh, we're getting a lot of selling. So at 42 and 40.75, see what we do here. Are we just going to reject that, move up? Okay. I'm going to take a short.
Order filled.
I'm convinced it's nasty. Okay. Of course, I'm taking a short right into a pivot. This is really something you have to be very careful about. Okay. Let's see. Perfect example of what you don't want to do, right? Yeah, we may get some down. All right, I'm just going to take this
Order
here.
submitted. Order filled.
Okay, I got $87 on 2 contracts. But here's what we have. So I'm going to come in above this.
Order submitted.
We have a pivot. We have a pivot right here. Okay. See what happens here.
Order filled.
Came in right above it. All right. We'll take that.
Order filled.
We're now at 475. That's what I say. You don't trade below the candles for down, and don't trade above the candles for up. If it goes down to here, put your trade in up here. Okay, that's my little demo for this morning. We didn't do much with time and sales here because I was talking, not paying attention over here. But we'll catch that on the next one. Thank you very much.